Alright, here we are. This is Jack and I's version of glamping. Normally we're in a two-person tent, canoeing on the river, bringing very limited supplies. But for this trip, for my birthday weekend, to... Wait, what's the name of the state park?
Governor Dodge.
That's right, Governor Dodge. Or Governor Dodge State Park. We decided to bring this 6-person tent. And we brought an air mattress. And we brought our dog, of course. But this time, we also brought our cat. She's just chilling. Wait, I think she's purring. Yeah, she's digging it. She's totally cool just hanging out in the tent. She's got a harness on and she's tied up. She's got her food in there, litter box, water. Jack's making a little fire. Oh yeah, anyway, so we got this 6-person tent. And the air mattress and a Tempur-Pedic mattress topper that I had from my dorm room from college, freshman year. There's Queenie's moving bed that she's gonna sleep on. But she's in the car right now, being a weirdo. Sometimes Queenie just prefers to stay in the car. And our food setup is pretty crazy this time too. Don't normally bring anything that big. But we're making steak tonight with potatoes and onions with bacon. So we had to bring a few extra things. Anyway, can show more of that later, but for now, this is our campsite. There's my man. And that's it. Yeah.